Hello everyone, Christina Elizabeth here. I wanted to share some tips with you today if you're planning on purchasing a home and building an extension or addition or building up, or maybe you're planning on some renovations or improvements to your current house where you plan on building up a floor or maybe building out an extension. I wanted to share some of the tips and some of the findings that we came across when we were working on our project. Some of you may know that we rebuilt a split entry home into Colonial, and that was a nice, interesting process full of great experience. There are a few things that we faced that we didn't know we would, and one of them was actually before we were able to confirm that we can build up a floor, the town made us inspect the foundation of the existing structure to confirm that the foundation has footings. So literally we had to dig out 4 feet along the foundation and bring the structural engineer to investigate and inspect the foundation and confirm if it has footings. Luckily it did. So it was confirmed it can sustain extra floor, and therefore the structural engineer wrote a letter to the town saying, yeah, I'm confirming that the foundation can sustain extra loads. So that the town gave us a green light to proceed with architectural plans. However, that happens if that you cannot confirm the footings and you may have to actually build out outside the existing footprint, which also an option, of course. You may want to look into what your lot is about. Basically, what I mean by that, sometimes we don't pay attention, but then we figure out that the lot might actually have some wetlands, or it might be partially in flood zone. And in this case, there are some restrictions that come with it that you may not be aware until you actually apply for a building permit. Actually, there are some restrictions of how close you can consider building towards the wetlands or conservation land or even a floodplain. So make sure to check those requirements with the town you're living in and planning your project to make sure that there's nothing like that, no restrictions of that nature would prevent you from getting your dream project accomplished. Hope that was helpful. Let me know of any questions. Bye.